In this video you will learn how to check CPU activity with SmartClean Pro. Open the SmartClean Pro app. Launch the SmartClean Pro app from your phone's home screen or app drawer. Allow necessary permissions. When prompted, grant permissions for storage and system access to let the app monitor performance accurately. Go to the Performance section. Tap on the Performance or System Monitor. This is where your CPU data is displayed. View CPU usage details. You will see a real-time graph or percentage showing how much of your CPU is currently being used. Identify high usage apps. Scroll through the list of apps that consume the most of your CPU power, causing potential slowdowns of your system. Optimize or clean up. Use the built-in optimization tool in SmartClean Pro to close background apps and reduce CPU strain. Now you know how to check CPU activity with SmartClean Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.